Hello everybody and welcome to Paul's Garden, and we have germination. Our thyme seeds have popped. Today we're going to be going over some results since our initial planting and how our seed starting mixes are standing up against each other. Let's get into it.
Let's look at some of the data we've collected so far. The first thing is germination rates. The first day of germination was February 8th. That day we observed just some thyme seeds coming in. We counted those, recorded those. The next day on February 9th, we had more thyme seeds as well as some basil seeds pop through. And so far, the total number of germinations are as followed. We have black gold with 15 seeds that have germinated, Espoma with 9 seeds that have germinated, Hoffman with 15 seeds, Jiffy with 14 seeds, Miracle Grow with 14 seeds, and ProMix with 18 seeds. So with those germination rates, that gives us an average of about 14.1 seeds germinated per seed starting mix. So the Espoma, Jiffy, and Miracle Grow are falling a little bit behind. The Hoffman ProMix and the Black Gold are ahead, obviously with the ProMix being so far the winner in germination. And as for our tomatoes and peppers, we do not have any germination quite yet, but we are anxiously awaiting, and it should be any day now. Next thing we're going to look at is water retention, and we're looking at this as the amount of weight that has been retained since it was originally watered on February 4th. The highest average out of all of the seed starting mixes was the Espoma, maintained 62% of its starting weight, followed by the ProMix with 61.54% of its weight. And then following behind that was the Hoffman, Jiffy, the Black Gold, and falling in last place at 53% of its weight retained was the Miracle Grow. One interesting point of note on water retention: a lot of the starting mixes are very consistent, but a couple of them are a little bit kind of all over the place. The Hoffman has 2 of the better at water retention as well as 2 of the worst at water retention. Everything else is kind of keeping a little bit of a tighter group. A lot of the seed starting mixes have started to dry out towards the top, so they will be being watered, most likely this evening or first thing tomorrow. The weights will be taken before they are watered, after they are watered, to see how much new water they retain. Thank you for joining me today on this experiment update. Be sure to subscribe for more great gardening content.